Hello students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. So, we are here for learning science. So now, let's start our lecture. I am your science teacher from Mahdi School and today we learn the exercise of lesson number 3, the world of plant, which we complete in previous lecture. So let's start our lesson with one beautiful line, that education is the movement from darkness to light. So let's start our today's lecture. First we learn today exercise of lesson number 3, textbook exercise. So before that we revise that what we learned in previous lecture. So we learn about tree type of the plant in previous lecture. We also revise the lesson. So we learn about tree in previous lecture. What we learn about tree? That what is tree? How tree looks? How trees are different than creepers, climbers and small plants. So we see the difference between all types of plant and we learn that we divide type of plant from the stem of the plant. So we learn these things about tree. We see the picture of different trees. Here you can see banana tree. Then we see picture of Ashoka tree. You can see they all are big. Then one big tree you can see here. Then dates tree. Then apple tree. These all are trees. Here is a neem tree. We learn about trees that some plants are big and strong. These all plants are called tree. So we learn that big plants which has strong stem are tree. We can see that tree can grow straight without support and they all are big. That's why we called it tree. We see the picture of one tree here, a big tree. Then we see the picture of mango tree. Here you can see the stem of mango tree, which is a big and strong. That's why we called it tree. Then we see the difference between small plant and tree. Here you can see the tree, a big plant and stem of the tree and small plant. So it is a difference between small plant and tree. We learn in previous lecture. Then we see the stem of climbers and stem of tree. That climbers grow with support and tree grow straight without support. So it is the difference. Then the next picture is creepers and tree. So creeper is a watermelon you can see here, which is grow along the ground. When you can see here dates tree which grow straight, not grow in ground. So it is a difference between climbers and creepers and tree. So these all are differences between plants. Then we learn that tree are grow straight without support, and we learn this that trees has big stem. So trees are big and strong plant and has a big and strong stem. Then we revise that there are 5 types of plant, but in first standard we learn 4 types of plant. So here we see that small plants, second is climbers which grow straight with support. Then we learn about creepers which grow along the ground because they are heavy. Then we learn about tree which are big, they don't need support and they grow straight and their stems are also strong. So these all are types of the plant which we learn in previous lecture. So now before we start our exercise, let's revise lesson number 3 which we learn in previous lectures. So first we revise the world of plant, then we start our exercise. So what we learn in this lesson, that we learn about plants, that plants are different from each other. We see that some plants are big, some plants are small, some plants are grow along the ground. Then we also learn that plants like lotus grow in water or mud. So we need mud to grow plants like lotus. And we see that some plants also grow in desert. So we learn about plants in this lesson. We see that plants are also living things, which we learn in our second lesson, that plants and animals are living things. In this lesson, lesson number 3, we learn that how plants are living things. So here you can see the grow of plant. Like us, plants also grow. So when you are in nursery, your height is short, and when you are first or second standard or third standard, your height increase. Like that, plants are also grow. So here we learn that plants are living things in this lesson. Then we learn that plants grow from seeds. Remember that we grow plant mango, which we grow from seed. So we also grow watermelon from seeds. Then we learn that some plants are grow from roots, some plants grow from stem, like rose plant grow from stem, and lotus we grow from roots. We also learn that lotus grow from seeds also and roots also, and we grow lotus from roots. So most of the plants grow from seeds. Here you can see some fruits, that some fruit has 1 or 2 seeds and some fruits has many seeds. So here is the fruit which has a 1 seed. Then some fruits like watermelon, muskmelon, papaya and many others has many seeds. So from these seeds we can grow plant. Then we learn that things which plants need to grow, that we grow plant in soil. if you want to grow plant at your home without garden, you need pot. And in this pot, you have to add soil or sand. Then plants need sunlight, air, and water to grow. Like all living things, we need air to breathe, like that plants also breathe, and we drink water, like plants also need water to grow, and they take nutrients, which is the food of the plant, from soil. So these all things plants need to grow, that water, air, and sunlight. So here you can see the picture of sunlight, water, and air. Then we learn parts of the plant. So how many parts of the plant? We learn that there are 5 parts of plant. How many parts of the plant? 5. So first is the root, second is the stem, third is a leaf, and fourth is a flower, and fifth is a fruit. They all are parts of the plant. So we learn that there are 5 parts of the plant. Like us, plants has also different parts, like our body. Then we learn about first part of the plant is root, which grow underground, and underground part of the plant which takes in water and other things needed by plant, like water and nutrients from the soil, which taken by roots. So here is a part of the plant which fixes plant to the ground. It is a root. So we learn about roots, and then we learn about stem. Stem is a part of the plant which carries water and food to all parts of the plant. The things which roots takes from soil, they carries by stem and pass to all over the parts of the plant. It is a stem. Then we learn about leaf, the part of the plant that make food for the plant. Here you can see the picture of leaves. It is a leaves of lotus. So it is a kitchen of the plant. Leaf is a kitchen of the plant that make food with the help of sunlight, air, and water. We learn this in tomato plant. We grow tomato plant and we see that how leaf make food. So these all things we learn in lesson number 3. Then we learn fourth part of the plant, flower, that changes into the fruit. You can see here the flower. Then this is the picture which show us that flowers changes into the fruit, and it is also contain seeds and help in reproduction. Here is a part of the plant, fruit. You can see here that fruit contain seeds inside it. So all fruits are not contain seeds, but most of the fruits are contain seeds which help plant to grow, and it is also seeds are protected by fruits. So fruit is a part of the plant which help in reproduction. So some fruits like banana are not has seeds. So they are growing from their peels or from their roots or from their leaves. So we learn about fruits in this lesson, and we also learn that vegetables are also fruit of the plant like brinjal, tomato and many others. Then we learn about types of the plant: small plants, climbers, creepers and tree. So these are four types of plant which we learn in this lesson. Small plants, you can see here plants like rose and many small plants are here. So these all are small plants which has a woody stem and they are small. That's why we called it small plants. Then we learn that some small plants are very small. You can see here which coriander and curry leaves which has a soft stem but they are small. Then we learn about climbers. Climbers are plants that need support of wall or other plants or stick are climbers. So you can see here money plant and grapevine which grow with the help of stick or thread. Then we learn about creepers, and we also grow watermelon, that how watermelon grow along the ground because they are heavy. That's why they are grow along the ground. They cannot climb like climbers with support also. If you want to grow watermelon like climbers, you have to protect watermelon with some clothes. We see that picture in previous lectures. So creepers plant that grow along the ground. Then we learn about tree, a big and strong plant called tree. Here you can see the picture of dates plant and mango. These trees are big and their stem also big. So we learn all these things in this lesson about plants, like part of the plant, types of the plant, what plants need to grow and which things plant need to grow healthy like nutrients and many other things, useful things which plants take from the soil. So we learn in this lesson all about plants. So let's start our exercise number 1. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks with correct word. So here in this exercise we have to write one correct word from two words. One is right and one is wrong. So next, number 1. Big and strong plant are called dash. So we learn about mango plant and we also learn about grapevine. So which is big from them? Mango plant. Why? Because mango plant is grow without support, when grapevine grow with support. So mango plant is a tree. So that's why the answer is tree. Big and strong plants are called trees. So here I write an answer tree. Then second, plant has dash parts, one or many. So first we count the parts of the plant. Let's count. 1. Roots which grow underground. Second part is stem. We learn all this in lesson number 3. Third part, leaf. Fourth part, flower. And fifth part, fruit. So there are many parts of the plant. plant has many parts, not one part. So here I write answer many. So what is the answer? Plant has many parts. Then next, a dash has baby plant inside it. So when we grow mango plant, when we grow watermelon, which thing we take to grow plant? We take seeds of that plant. So plant start growing from the seeds. So here the answer is seed. A seed has baby plant inside it. So we learn that one seed can grow many plants from it. So when we grow mango plant, we see that from one seed we grow mango plant and there are so many mangoes on that plant. Like that we grow watermelon also from seed. So here the answer is a seed has a baby plant inside it. So seed help to plant in. Number 4. Most plant grow from dash. So when we growing mango plant, what we take to grow mango plant? It is a seed. Then we grow watermelon. So what we take to grow watermelon? Seed of watermelon. So most of the plants grow from seed. When some plants grow from root also and some plants grow from stem also. But most of the plants are growing from seed of that plant. So when you want to grow mango plant, you need to seed of mango. So here is the answer seed. As we know that seed is a very important thing for growing plant. So most of the plant grow from seed. Then number 5. There are dash part of the plant. So here we count the parts of the plant. So how many parts of the plant? Let's revise. First is root. When we start growing plant from seed, the first part of the plant grow is root. So first is root. Then after root, stem start growing. So second part is stem. Then stem carry the water and nutrients. Then leaf start growing. So the third part is leaf. After then flower start growing. And last is fruit. Part of the plant grow. So how many are there? Let's count. 1 root, second stem, third leaf, fourth flower and 5th fruit. So there are 5 parts of the plant. I write here there are 5 parts of the plant. So these all are parts of the plant, but some plants has less than 5 parts. Some plant has only leaf, some plants have a fruit also and flower also. So every plant has a 3 part: root, stem and leaf. But most of the plant have 5 parts. Question number 2. True or false? Here is a sentence. Maybe it's true or false. So when the sentence is true, we write true. When sentence is wrong, then we write false. So let's start our second exercise, true or false. First, all plants are big. Here I show you some pictures for explain this that all plants are big. First photo is rose plant, second coriander, and third banana tree. So here three different types of plant. So can you see that is that all plants are same? All of three are same? No. So it is a false. It is a wrong sentence that all plants are big. It is a wrong sentence because some plants are small, some plants are big. That's why the sentence is wrong. So here we write false. So you can understand that how plants are different from each other. Now next, second is banyan. Here you can see the banyan tree. The sentence is banyan is a big and strong plant. So here you can see banyan is a big plant. Yes, so banyan is a big and it is a strong. So it is a right sentence. That's why we write here true. So trees like banyan, neem, mango are strong and big. So banyan is a big and strong plant. And we also learn about banyan that banyan tree is grow from roots. Number 3. Rose plant is a creeper. Now here is a two picture. You can see creeper. Watermelon is a creeper. So when you compare rose and creeper, you see the picture of rose. Rose is a plant and here is a watermelon. And now you can see that rose is different than watermelon. So watermelon grow along the ground, when rose is not grow along the ground. It is grow in pot or it is grow straight also because it has a woody stem. When creepers don't have woody stem, they grow along the ground. So rose plant is a creeper. It's a wrong sentence. So write here false. Then next. Number 4. Climbers cannot grow straight on their own. Here you can see the picture of grapevine, which is a climber. So we also learn that climbers cannot grow straight on their own. We have to give support them to grow. So climbers cannot grow straight on their own. They take support of stick or another plant or wall. So here the statement is right. So we write here true because climbers like grapevine and money plant grow with the help of support. Then question number 3, match the following. You have to match column with other column. So first we start from first leaf. So we have to find answer from second column. First is leaf. Leaf is a mango? No. Then leaf make food for plant? Yes. So we joined leaf with make a food. So here you can see that leaf is a make of food for plant. Then tree. So from 3 options, mango changes into fruit and has a baby plant, which is example of tree. So mango is a tree. So we write here mango. When join the tree with mango. Then next is seed. So what seed contain? First is changes into the fruit and second is has a baby plant. So is seed changes into the fruit? No, seed is not changes into the fruit. Seed has a baby plant inside it. So I joined the seed with has a baby plant inside it. Then number 4, flower. Flowers changes into the fruit. You can see here flowers changes into the fruit. Last option. So here is the answer of this question of column 1. Let's see the answer with question. Here I write right answer with that part of the plant. First is leaf, make a food. Second is the tree. Which tree is? Mango tree. Third is a seed which has a baby plant inside it. Then fourth is a flower changes into the fruit. So here match the following with answer. Now next write 2 examples. So let's start this exercise. First is tree. So we have to write 2 names of tree here. So you can write any tree in this, but remember that tree is a big and strong plant. So let's see the pictures here. Here I show you the picture of orange and apple. So orange you can see is a tree and apple is also tree. So I write here orange tree and apple tree. You can write here mango tree, banana tree, coconut tree, any of the tree. The next question is climbers. So here you have to write 2 examples of climbers. So which are they? The plant which grow straight with support. So first is grapevine. You can see the picture of grapevine here. You can write money plant also here. So here is a 2 picture. One is a grapevine and second is a money plant. So I write the name of grapevine and money plant. And so many other climbers are there, like beans are climbers, cucumber is a climber. So you can write here that also. So it is our give 2 examples. I write here with answer. First is tree, orange tree, apple tree. You can write here banana tree, mango tree, coconut tree, any of them. And second is a climber. So you can write here grapevine, money plant, cucumber, and beans also climbers. So here is the exercise.